Okay, and the final part of Camtasia and editing is exporting that. For example, this is your video and video editing and you want to export. We have two buttons here, export here or from export there. This button is main export. When you click it, we have three options. If you want to export on a YouTube, screencast is another website of TextMate for sharing your work. And this is our purpose. Local file is export as MP4, GIF, or M4A for your work. If you click it, you can export it in 3 times. You can export your little book, not long, so 1 to 4, 5 seconds of your work as a GIF. It's very simple, or GIF. First, you can change your name. You can change any of them. By default, it has your project name. Save location. You can save it as any location that you want. This is on file tab, MP4, GIF. This is an audio only, and this is a smart player. If you use interactive things in Camtasia like before, you have to export that. That I explained it before. And from here, look, you can see if it's closed, you can open it, and we have preset, basic GIF, basic custom. From here, you can change the dimension. It's a current dimension project. Don't change it. It's a full HD. Encoding, the frame rate. Here is the quality. Most important is it. If you want to higher quality, you can increase that. If you want to smaller file size, you can decrease that quality. Or if you have a powerful GPU, you can use a GPU in a long project. And frame rate is your project frame rate. In most cases, 30 is nice, 60 is for gaming. Okay. And the audio, you can change audio if you want to higher quality, you can make it, but you have a lower file size, a higher file size. Include watermark, you can add your watermark. Here you can see your watermark at the editing. You can change your watermark here. You can change the scale of that. You can see. You can change opacity of that. Where it be, you can change it. And hit OK, and it include watermark. But we are editing in ourselves here. And that's it. And you can export it. This is one of the export. Another export is here. Again, local file and screencast and YouTube, and export selection as. It export whole video. For example, our project is here, and export all of the project. If you want to, for example, export here, for example, here to here, you have to, we have green and red range indicator that you can drag it, and you can select this here. You can see we have two things. This green is free and the red is snap to the playhead, and then you can directly right click here and export a timeline as a selection, and export just that timing here. If you want to bring it back, double click on the playhead. So this is an export area, and you can see turn on now. If you want to export a specific frame of your video, you can export as a frame. Export as a frame, export as a image file, GIF, PNG, or anything that you want. And you can see you can export as a PNG, JPEG, anything that you want. And another thing is export audio only. If your project has an audio and you want to export that audio, you can export it as an audio. Batch export is very interesting. You can export, for example, this is a file, okay? And another important thing that you have to save your project. You can go to the file and save as your project, okay? You can save as your project. And you can see this is a Camtasia project. You can make it project number 1, 1, 2, 3. And you can export it and save it, number 1, number 2, and you can come here in a batch export and add your project file here. You can open it and add Camtasia file. You can see it's better to open Camtasia file. Open Camtasia file and export it one by one. It's automatically doing that. Another saving the project is this. You can export, another exportation, export zipped project. It's very interesting. If you export a project, for example, you use a lot of voice from your other folder, a lot of image from other folder, and you want to pack them all together. You want to pack them all together. You can export. Sorry, you can go to the file and export zipped project. If you export zip project, you can see the zip file. It zipped. It automatically saved this project with all of this media bin. All of this media bin, and you have all of video, image, audio, everything that you have in a one zip file, and it's very useful for you. So if you have a project, save it in a SOM, but maybe we have used a lot of image from other folder and a lot of video in other folder in our PC, for example, drive D, drive A, and they are separated to each other. And if somewhere we missed image and video, audio, and you missed the video here, and your project will be crashed. So after your project is done, don't delete any file from your computer. First, go into the file and export zip project. Let's see, Control C, and save it there. Okay, exporting the project, and then go there. Okay, it's here, and you can see we have main project. If you open that, you can see this is an Camtasia file with all of that video and image that I used in one file. And if you open this, everything will be open you clearly for you, and it's nice. Okay, and we can delete it. So this is another export your work here. So for Mac or package is not important. Zipped is very nice. Okay, that's it, and these are all export in Camtasia.